In the 1980s, Motorola faced high defect rates, about 10,000 defects per million opportunities, causing customer complaints and costly rework. Motorola aimed to achieve Six Sigma quality, reducing defects to 3.4 DPMO by improving manufacturing processes and reducing waste. The Six Sigma approach involved the DMAIC method: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Define focused on product defects and customer dissatisfaction. Measure collected data on failure rates and process performance. Analyze identified root causes such as poor training and lack of standardization. Improve standardized procedures and upgraded equipment. Control introduced monitoring tools to sustain results. The impact was significant. Defects reduced by over 90%, saving $2.2 billion in 4 years. Motorola set a quality benchmark that inspired global adoption of Six Sigma.